Hello students and everyone, welcome back to class 8th maths on my YouTube channel. We will continue practice at 6.3 question number 2 on textbook page number 32. X plus y the whole cube minus x minus y the whole cube. You have to use the formula of a cube minus b cube. The formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. X plus y the whole cube minus x minus y the whole cube. A is x plus y and b is x minus y. You have to write the expansion form of a cube minus b cube formula of x plus y the whole cube and x minus y the whole cube. That is equal to a minus b is x plus y minus in bracket x minus y. A square plus ab plus b square is x plus y the whole square plus x plus y, x minus y plus x minus y the whole square. Next step, you have to open the bracket of x plus y minus x minus y. That is equal to x plus y minus into plus is minus. That is minus x minus into minus is plus. That is plus y. Then second bracket, you have to use the formula a plus b the whole square of x plus y the whole square. That is x square plus 2xy plus y square. By using the formula of a plus b the whole square, we will get this answer. Then after that, x plus y, x minus y, you have to use the formula of a plus b, a minus b. The formula of a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So the answer is plus x square minus y square. Plus x minus y the whole square, you have to use the formula of a minus b the whole square. The formula of a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the answer of x minus y the whole square is plus x square minus 2xy plus y square. Then you have to close the bracket. Next step, you have to do the cancellation. If you have 1 plus and 1 minus, x minus x is getting 0, so you have to cancel x and minus x. Then y plus y you have to add. Y plus y is 2y. Then in bracket, no like terms which are there, underline it. You can add and subtract the like terms. X square plus x square plus x square is 3x square. In bracket, 3x square, 2xy minus 2xy get cancelled because one positive is there and other negative is there. So plus 2xy minus 2xy get cancelled because your answer is getting 0. One y square and other minus y square get cancelled. Plus y square minus y square, cancel it because your answer is 0. So what will remain, that you have tried. That is plus y square will remain. Then close the bracket. 2y in bracket 3x square plus y square, you have tried the multiplication form of 2y. That is equal to 2y into 3x square plus 2y into y square by using the formula of a into b plus c. The formula of a into b plus c is a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. Then you have to multiply this, which I underline. 2y into 3x square is 6x square y plus 2y into y square is 2y cube. 3a plus 5b the whole cube minus 3a minus 5b the whole cube. You have to use the formula of a cube minus b cube. The formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. 3a plus 5b the whole cube minus 3a minus 5b the whole cube. You have tried the expansion form of the formula of a cube minus b cube. A is 3a plus 5b, b is 3a minus 5b. That is equal to a minus b is in bracket 3a plus 5b minus in bracket 3a minus 5b. A square plus ab plus b square is 3a plus 5b the whole square plus 3a plus 5b, 3a minus 5b plus 3a minus 5b the whole square. Next step, you have to open the bracket of 3a plus 5b minus 3a minus 5b. that is equal to 3a plus 5b, minus into plus is minus, that is minus 3ab, minus into minus is plus, that is plus 5b. Now in second bracket, 3a plus 5b the whole square, you have to use the formula of a plus b the whole square. I have already solved here. 3a plus 5b the whole square. Answer is getting 9a square plus 30ab plus 25b square. That you have to write in bracket here. Plus 3a plus 5b, 3a minus 5b, you have to use the formula of a plus b, a minus b. The formula of a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. 3a plus 5b, 3a minus 5b is 3a square minus 5b square. That is, answer is 9a square minus 25b square. So you have tried the answer plus 9a square minus 25b square plus 3a minus 5b the whole square formula. You have to use a minus b the whole square formula. The formula of a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. 3a minus 5b the whole square is 3a the whole square minus 2 into 3a into 5b plus 5b the whole square. So the answer is 9a square minus 30ab plus 25b square. Next step, 3a minus 3a get cancelled because 3a minus 3a answer is 0. You have to add 5b plus 5b. Answer is 10b. Then in second bracket, like terms which are same, underline it and then you have solve. You have to add 9a square plus 9a square plus 9a square. 9 plus 9 plus 9 how much? 27. That is in bracket 27a square plus 30ab minus 30ab get cancelled. Plus into minus is minus. Any number you are subtracting, same number, answer is 0. So that's why you have to cancel. Plus 25b square minus 25b square get cancelled. So what will remain? Plus 25b square. 10b in bracket 27a square plus 25b square. You have tried the multiplication form of 10b. Otherwise you can directly multiply. 10b into 27a square is 270a square b plus 10b into 25b square is plus 250b cube. A plus b the whole cube minus a cube minus b cube. First you have to use the formula of a plus b the whole cube which you already studied in chapter 5. The formula of a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. After the bracket of a plus b the whole cube minus a cube minus b cube which is given, that you have to write as it is. Minus a cube minus b cube. A cube minus a cube get cancelled plus b cube minus b cube get cancelled. So what will remain? 3a square b plus 3ab square. That is the answer. That is equal to 3a square b plus 3ab square. P cube minus in bracket p plus 1 the whole cube. The formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. P cube minus in bracket p plus 1 the whole cube. You have tried the expansion form of the formula of a cube minus b cube. A is p and b is p plus 1. That is equal to a minus b is in bracket p minus in bracket p plus 1. A square is p square plus ab is plus p into p plus 1 plus b square is plus p plus 1 the whole square. Next step, in bracket p minus in bracket p plus 1 you have to open. That is p minus into plus is minus, minus p minus into plus is minus, that is minus 1. After opening first bracket, second bracket what is there, that you have to solve now. P square write as it is. You have to solve plus p into p plus 1 plus p into p is plus p square plus p into 1 is plus 1p plus p plus 1 the whole square We have to use the formula of a plus b the whole square. The formula of a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is plus p square plus 2 into p into 1 plus 1 square. Next step, p minus p get cancelled, so what will remain? That is equal to minus 1. In bracket you have to multiply this in other step, that is in bracket p square write as it is plus p square plus 1p plus p square plus 2 into p into 1 is plus 2p plus 1 square is plus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Like terms which are same in bracket, that you have to underline and then you have to solve. P square plus p square plus p square, had it. Answer is what? That is in bracket 3p square plus 1p plus 2p you have to add, that is plus 3p plus 1 you have to write as it is, close the bracket. You have to write the multiplication form of 3p square plus 3p plus 1 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 1 into 3p square minus 1 into 3p minus 1 into 1, multiplying each term by minus 1. Then you have to solve this, which I underline. Minus 1 into 3p square is minus 3p square minus 1 into 3p is minus 3p minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 3xy minus 2ab the whole cube minus 3xy plus 2ab the whole cube. First we will use the formula of a cube minus b cube. The formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. 3xy minus 2ab the whole cube minus 3xy plus 2ab the whole cube. We will write the expansion form of the formula of a cube minus b cube. A is 3xy minus 2ab and b is 3xy plus 2ab, that is equal to a minus b is 3xy minus 2ab minus 3xy plus 2ab. A square plus ab plus b square is 3xy minus 2ab the whole square plus 3xy minus 2ab, 3xy plus 2ab plus 3xy plus 2ab the whole square. First we will open the first bracket, that is equal to 3xy minus 2ab, minus into plus is minus, that is minus 3xy, minus into plus is minus, that is minus 2ab. After opening the first bracket, we will solve second bracket. In second bracket, 3xy minus 2ab the whole square, you have to use the formula of a minus b the whole square. I already used the formula here. The formula of a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 3xy minus 2ab the whole square is 3xy the whole square minus 2 into 3xy into 2ab plus 2ab the whole square. 3xy the whole square is 9x square y square minus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, ab xy plus 2ab the whole square is plus 4 a square b square. If you have the two variables together, you have to write square form separately, that is in bracket 9x square y square minus 12 ab xy plus 4 a square b square. Next one is plus 3xy minus 2ab, 3xy plus 2ab. You have to use the formula of a plus b, a minus b. I already solved this sum roughly by using the formula of a plus b, a minus b. The formula of a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square, that is in bracket 3xy minus 2ab, in bracket 3xy plus 2ab is 3xy the whole square minus 2ab the whole square. Square of 3 is 9. If you have the two variables together in square form, both the variables you have to write separate form of square, that is xy square is x square y square minus square of 2 is 4, ab square is a square b square, that is plus 9 x square y square minus 4 a square b square plus 3xy plus 2ab the whole square. You have to use the formula of a plus b the whole square. 3xy plus 2ab the whole square. I have solved it here roughly. The formula of a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. 3xy plus 2ab the whole square is 3xy the whole square plus 2 into 3xy into 2ab plus 2ab the whole square. That is equal to 9x square y square plus 12abxy plus 4a square b square. After getting the answer, you have to write this answer in bracket, that is plus 9x square y square plus 12abxy plus 4a square b square. Next step, 3xy minus 3xy get cancelled, minus 2ab you have to add, because minus into minus is plus, that is equal to minus 4ab. In bracket, like terms which are there, underline it and then solve. 9x square y square plus 9x square y square plus 9x square y square you have to add, that is 27x square y square minus 12abxy plus 12abxy get cancelled, plus 4a square b square minus 4a square b square get cancelled. So what will remain? Plus 4a square b square. After that, you have to write the multiplication form of minus 4ab of 27x square y square plus 4a square b square, that is equal to minus 4ab into 27x square y square minus 4ab into 4a square b square, multiplying both the terms by minus 4ab. Then you have to multiply 27 into 4 first. 4 sevens are 28. 2 you have to carry up, 8 you have to bring it down. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10. That is minus 4ab into 27 x square y square is minus 108 ab x square y square minus 4 into 4 is minus 16 ab a square b square is a cube b cube. This is the final answer. If you understood class 8 maths practice at 6.3 part 2 on textbook page number 32, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.